Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons, and we're back with part 2 of the clearance event information and visuals video. So, in this one, we're just going to continue on. I've got some more screenshots, more coupon matchups, more freebies, more overage to share with you guys. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also, take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So just in case you missed part 1, I'm going to leave that video linked in a pinned comment down below. Make sure you go and check that out. And make sure that you have your notification bell turned on to all, because I will be making posts in the community tab with more deals after I get these videos finished up. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right in with some pet food deals. So first up we have the Purina Alpo Prime Cuts Savory Beef Flavored 4-pound bags. They are going to be $1.19 this weekend. Next up we have the Sheba Perfect Portion Wet Cat Food. This is the Signature Tuna Entree Twin Pack. These will be 24 cents each. And we also have the Purina Alpo T-Bones Porterhouse Flavored Treats. This is the 10-ounce bag. These will be 68 cents. Next up, we have the Old Glory Dry Dog Food Beef and Chicken Flavored 4-pound bags. These will be just 60 cents this weekend. And we also have the Gravy Train 3.5-pound bags. This is the Beefy and Meaty Classic bags. These will be just 60 cents. Next up, we have the Caesar Filet Mignon Flavored Dog Food 5-pound bags. These are going to be $2.55. Next up, we have the Rachel Ray Dry Dog Food. This is the beef and brown rice flavored 3.5-pound bags. These will be $1.88. And we also have the Rachel Ray 3.5-pound bags of dry dog food. This is the real chicken and veggies flavor. These will also be $1.88. Next up, we have the Rachel Ray 3.5-pound bags of dry dog food. This is the real beef pea and brown rice recipe. These will be $1.80. We have a $1.50 off one digital coupon that is attaching to this, making these just 30 cents. Next up, we have the Purina Dog Chow Little Bites. These will be $1.40, and that is the 3.5-pound bags. Next up, we have the Rachel Ray Indoor Complete Dry Cat Food 3-pound bags. These will be $2.03. And we also have the Rachel Ray Dry Cat Food Chicken Flavored 3-pound bags. These will also be $2.03. Next up, we have the Arm & Hammer Clump & Seal Litter Multi-Cat 10-pound boxes. These will be $3.25. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and move on into the air care. So if you can find the Airwick Warmer 2-pack, these are going to be $1.23 this weekend. We have $1.50 off one digital coupon, so that will make it completely free, plus give you 28 cents in overage. Next up, we have the Febreze 1 car clips, the bamboo scented 2-count. These will be $2.35. We have a 1-off one digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $1.35. And next up, we have the Febreze Car Clips 2-count, the Downy April Fresh scent. These are also going to be $2.35. Again, we have that 1-off one digital coupon, and that will leave you paying just $1.35. So moving on into the hair care, we have the Studio Selection Medicated Dandruff Shampoo. These will be just $1.80. Next up, we have the Tresemme Shampoo and Conditioner Damage Protection. This is the 28 ounces. These will be $1.80. And we also have the Tresemme Shampoos and Conditioner Keratin Smooth 22-ounce bottles. These will be $2.25. And we also have the Tresemme Botanic Nourish and Replenish Shampoos and Conditioner 22-ounce bottles. The shampoo will be $2.25 and the conditioner will be $1.50. Next up, we have the Tresemme Ultra Fine Mist Hairspray, 11 ounces. These are going to be $2.25 this weekend. We have a 2-off one digital coupon as well as the same coupon in the Unilever insert, so that will leave you paying just 25 cents. Next up, we have the L'Oreal Hairspray Bold Hold. This is the 8.25 ounces and the L'Oreal Boosted Mousse Volume. This is the 8.3 ounce. Both of these items will be $1.80. Next up, we have the Garnier Whole Blends Oat Delicacy Shampoo and Conditioner. This is the 12.5 ounce. These are going to be $1.58 this weekend. We have a 3-off 2 digital coupon, so that will leave you paying just 15 cents for 2. Next up, we have the Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition Shampoo. This is the 12.5 ounce. These are going to be $1.35 this weekend. You can use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. If you pick up 2 of those after the coupon, that'll make it completely free, plus give you 30 cents in overage. And if you can find the Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition Conditioner, these will be just 90 cents this weekend. If you pick up 2 of those, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. That'll make it completely free, plus give you $1.20 in overage. Next up, we have the Dove Dermacare Scalp Shampoo Dryness and Itch Relief 12-ounce bottles. These are going to be $1.50. Next up, we have the Head & Shoulders Clinical Strength Dandruff. This is the 13.5-ounce bottles. These are going to be $2.93 this weekend. If you pick up 2 of those, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon as well as an insert coupon. So that will leave you paying $2.85 for 2. Next up, we have the Head & Shoulders Green Apple 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. These are going to be $2.70 this weekend. If you pick up 2 of those, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon, and that will leave you paying $2.40 for 2. Next up, we have the Suave Toasted Marshmallow 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. This is the 20 fluid ounce bottles. These are going to be $1.20 this weekend. We have a 1 off 1 Suave Kids hair care product. If that insert coupon works with this product, that will leave you paying just 20 cents. Next up, we have the Suave Professionals Natural Shampoos or Conditioners, the Coconut Oil and Vanilla Scent. This is the 12.6 ounce bottles. These are going to be 90 cents this weekend. We have a 1 off 1 insert coupon from the Unilever. So if you pick up one of those, that'll make it completely free, plus give you 10 cents in overage after the coupon. Alright, so we're going to move on into some personal care items. So first up, we have the Big Comfort 3 Razors 4 count. These are going to be $1.58. Next up, we have the Bic Flex 2 Hybrid Razor 10 count. These are going to be $2.70 this weekend. And we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll make it completely free, plus give you 30 cents in overage. Next up, we have even more overage. There are so many awesome deals this weekend, guys. So if you can find the Bic Flex 3 Triple Blade Razor for Men 4 count, these are going to be $2.70. Again, we have that 3 off 1 digital coupon, so that will make it completely free, plus give you 30 cents in overage. Alright, next up, some more overage. So we have the Schick Extreme 4 disposable razors 3 count. These are going to be $2.70. We have a 4 off 1 digital coupon, making that completely free, plus giving you $1.30 in overage. And I am pretty sure we have some insert coupons that are the same value as well. Alright, we're moving right along here. We have the Schick Quattro for women's disposable razors 3 count. These are also going to be $2.70. That 4 off 1 digital coupon is working with these, making these completely free, plus giving you $1.30 in overage. Next up, we have the Schick Hydro razors. These are going to be $3.15 this weekend. Next up, we have the Venus Extra Smooth Razor. That's going to be $4.05 this weekend. And we also have the Venus Extra Smooth Refill 2 count. That's going to be $4.50. Next up, we have the U by Kotex Liners 96 count. These are going to be $2.85. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that will leave you paying just $1.85. Next up, we have the Poise Regular Liners 26 count. These are going to be $1.63. And moving right along, we have the Garnier Fructis Hair Treatment Damage Repair Hair Mask. These are going to be $1.58. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so if you pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, and that will leave you paying 15 cents for 2. Next up, we have the St. Ives Hydrating Avocado Moisturizer. This is the 1.8 ounces. These are going to be $2.70. Next up, we have the Studio Selection 6 ounce Refreshing Apricot Scrub. This is going to be $1.13. Next up, we have the DG Body Sensitive Skin Astringent 10 fluid ounce. This is going to be $1.23. And next up, we have the Neutrogena Foaming Scrub Pink Grapefruit. This is the 4.2 ounces. These are going to be $3.48 this weekend. We have a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon, so that will leave you paying just 98 cents. Next up, we have the LA Colors Mascara. This is the Mega Drama Black 1 count. These are going to be $1.35. And we also have the CoverGirl lip colors. Now, there are different shades that you can choose from. This was just one that I had saved on my phone. So, these are going to be $3 this weekend. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that will leave you paying just $1. And next up, we have the CoverGirl eyeshadow 4-pack. This one is Country Woods. These are going to be $1.88. We have a 3-off-1 digital coupon, so that will make it completely free, plus give you $1.13 in overage. Next up, we have some CoverGirl mascaras. So we have the CoverGirl Pro Mascara Super Thick Lash Very Black, and we have the CoverGirl Pro Mascara Black and Brown 1 count. These are going to be $1.88 this weekend. We have that 3-off-1 digital coupon, so that'll make it completely free, plus give you $1.13 in overage. Alright, so moving on into our next category, we have some baby items that will be included in this clearance event. So we have the Gentle Steps apple juice. This is the 32 ounces. These will be just 78 cents. Alright, next up we have some Gentle Steps diapers. So we have size 4 20 count, size 5 18 count, and size 6 16 count. These are going to be $1.80. And moving on, we have the Goodnights Bedtime Underwear 11 count. These are the large to extra large sizes. These are going to be $4.50. Next up, we have the Huggies Snug and Dry Diapers size 1 38 count. These are going to be $3.83 this weekend. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon that's working with these, making these just $1.83. Next up, we have the Huggies Snug and Dry Diapers size 2 34 count. These are going to be $3.83 this weekend. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, making those just $1.83. Next up, we have the Pampers Easy Ups Training Underwear Boys size 4 25 count. These are going to be $4.50. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, making those just $2.50. Next up, we have the Pampers Swaddlers Diapers size 4 22 count. These are going to be $4.50. We have a 150 off 1 digital coupon, so that'll leave you paying just $3. And next up, we have some Legos that are going to be included. So we have the Lego Classic Assorted Bricks and Ideas. These are going to be $4.50. Next up, we have the Lego Classic Creative Blue Bricks. This is the 52 pieces. These are going to be $2.25. Next up, we have the Lego Friends. This is a service and care truck Lego set. These are going to be $9. Next up, we have the Lego Disney Princesses Lego sets. These are going to be $4.50. And next up, we have the Lego Star Wars Sith Trooper Battle Pack. This is 105 pieces. This is going to be $6.75. Alright guys, so that didn't take as long as I anticipated, so that worked out great. Now like I said, if you missed part 1, go and check it out. I'm going to leave that linked in the pinned comment down below. That video is cram-packed full of more deals, prices, coupon matchups, freebies, overage, you name it, it's in there. And like I said, make sure that you hit that notification bell and turn your notifications on to all, because I will be posting more deals and coupon matchups as I find them throughout the evening and tomorrow. And, you know, that's really going to come in handy tomorrow if I find deals when I'm out and about and need you guys to know about them. That way you'll be notified and you'll get a notification on your phone. And you guys know that you are always more than welcome, and it is greatly appreciated when you share your deals and your coupon matchups, or maybe you know something that I've missed, maybe an insert coupon or a printable coupon that's out there that I did not mention in this video. I always greatly appreciate that, and it'll come in handy tomorrow if you guys get out and find something and you want to share it with our crazy couponing community. I can always just screenshot that really quickly and then share the deal in a post on our community tab, so that should be really fun. Alright guys, well I guess that's it for me for now. Like I said, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make a post in the community tab. I'm not going to do a 5 off 25 video for this Saturday just because it gets kind of confusing with the different stores doing different things, 50% off, 70% off, 75% off. So we will just get things back to normal next week. And I wish each and every one of you guys good luck with this clearance event. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. As soon as I get these 2 videos done and uploaded, I am going to be answering comments. And I will also be keeping an eye on that tomorrow. So, like I said, that's it for me for now. Before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope y'all have an amazing weekend. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.